Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto cream cheese Wowbutter Fudge. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, a half a cup of some kind of peanut butter substitute. I'm using Wow Butter, a 1/4 cup of butter softened, that's a half a stick, a 1/3 cup of some kind of powdered sweetener. I'm using monk fruit, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to add all of our ingredients into a large bowl and beat that with an electric mixer until nice and smooth. That looks great, so now we are going to spread this out into an 8x8 or 9x9 baking dish lined with parchment paper and refrigerate it for 2 hours or until firm. This is ready to go into the refrigerator for 2 hours. My fudge was all set up, so I just removed it from the refrigerator, removed it from the pan using the parchment overhangs, and cut it into little bars. You can make them as big or as little as you want, and they are delicious. I've already tried one, so thanks so much for watching, and come back and see us again. Bye!